I've interviewed over 50 engineering leaders in the last couple of weeks, and a lot of them have been saying that code review tools can add a lot of noise into repos and into your overall projects. One of the things we set about doing at Optimal AI, and I'm really excited to announce in this week's release, is high context and judgment. Optibot is the world's first code review agent. As an agent, what that means is it goes through multiple passes. It thinks through its responses and it goes through a form of reasoning before arriving at a response. We tested it with just over 2,900 engineers and found that they preferred Optibot's responses to other AI code review tools, primarily because they felt that Optibot provided responses that were much more higher level. They felt like there were just some nitpicks that would add noise in comparison to other code review tools. So let's go into a PR so I can share an example with you. So here I'm inside a PR, and spoiler alert, we're building a Slack integration. And so I'm seeing that Optibot has highlighted certain architectural issues. It also suggested a security best practice that I thought interesting. But let me ask it to give me a little more context on this best practice. Optibot, can you share how I can add this column injection? And I'll just hit comment. Optibot, by the way, responds inside GitHub comments, and so you can talk to it like you would with any of your engineers inside a PR. And there we have it. Optibot replied, and it said, this is basically how I can just go ahead and inject the code. I can even ask it to explain this to me. Can you explain how this works? Say I haven't worked with this specific function before, and Optibot explained it. The decorator tells type ORM to treat the property, and basically it adds custom encryption logic, awareness, and then it's also great for documentation. So you'll see how to the point and direct the responses were. It's because even in just the few seconds that it took to respond, what it's doing is it's going through multiple passes before deciding on what response would be best. And so you can think about this as it's great for training if you'd like to ask it questions about a specific logic function or even a suggestion that it's made, but it can also go back to the PR and even go back to your overall code base and answer specific questions as well. What we found in our tests is that our customers are saying that they've used it alongside Copilot reviews as well as other code review tools. They feel that Optibot provides the most direct and to-the-point responses, and it also gives the most high-level responses as well when it comes to summaries and code reviews. You can now activate Optibot on your repos. Just head on over to getoptimal.ai to start using Optibot. Thank you.